just how do you make money online? Let's delve into the answer. The digital world is brimming with opportunities to earn. The benefits are alluring: flexibility in working hours, no commute, and the potential for growth that's limited only by your ambition. But let's be real. The journey to online earning isn't a cakewalk. It can be complex, filled with twists and turns. Yet with the right guidance and a sprinkle of persistence, it is entirely achievable. Think of it as a digital goldmine. Yes, you'll have to dig, sift, and maybe even face a few cave monsters. But the treasures you can unearth are worth every bit of the effort. So, are you ready to dive into this digital goldmine? Let's explore. First things first, you need to identify what skills and interests you have. It's crucial to tap into your passion and abilities, as these will be the fuel for your online venture. Think about what you love doing, what you're good at, and what you can offer to the world from the comfort of your home. Let's consider some examples. Are you a wizard with graphics? Graphic designing might be your niche. Do you have a knack for weaving words into engaging narratives? Content writing could be your forte. Or perhaps you're a maestro at managing social media platforms, helping brands grow their digital footprint. Social media management could be your call. These are just a few of the myriad of skills that are in high demand online. The key is to find that sweet spot where your skills and interests intersect. Remember, your skills and passion are your greatest assets in the online world. Now that you have identified your skills and interests, the next step is to find the right platform. There's a multitude of platforms where you can turn your skills into cash. If you're a wordsmith, a designer, or a tech whiz, freelancing websites like Upwork or Fiverr might be your golden ticket. Perhaps you've got a knack for storytelling or sharing insights. Launching a blog could be your route to profit, with advertising and sponsored content providing income. If you're more into sales, why not tap into the world of affiliate marketing? Promote products you love and earn a commission on every sale. Or maybe you've developed a product or service yourself. Selling online through platforms like Etsy or Shopify could be the way to go. Remember, the choice of platform should align with your skills and interests. Choosing the right platform is crucial, as it can make or break your online money-making journey. Once you have chosen your platform, it's time to build your online presence. Think of your online presence as a digital storefront. It's where potential clients, customers, and collaborators get their first impression of you and your skills. Creating a professional profile is the first step. Make sure it's polished, comprehensive, and reflects your personal brand. Show off your skills, experience, and what sets you apart from the crowd. Next, build a portfolio that showcases your work. This is where you display your best projects and demonstrate the value you can provide. Remember, consistency is key. Update your portfolio regularly and keep your online activities aligned with your professional goals. But it's not just about showcasing your work. It's also about creating relationships. Networking is vital. Engage with others, join discussions, share ideas. Be active, be visible. Building a strong online presence is like laying a solid foundation for your online business. So we've covered the basics of making money online. Let's quickly recap. The first step is introspection. Identify your skills and interests, what you're passionate about, and how you can leverage those to create value. Next, choose the right platform that aligns with your skills. Whether it's selling products on an e-commerce site, offering services as a freelancer, or sharing knowledge through a blog or vlog, the options are endless. Building an online presence is the next crucial stage. This is where you showcase your work, interact with your audience, and establish your brand. But remember, this process takes time. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to continually learn and adapt. The world of online entrepreneurship is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about building sustainable income streams over time. Remember, the journey of making money online is a marathon, not a sprint. Believe in your abilities, stay focused, and success will be yours. Thank you for watching Burns Hustles. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Also check out the courses of Kevin Burns at Udemy.